Hey everyone, welcome back to Japan Uncovered, the channel where we show you the real Japan that most tourists never find. Today, we're heading to Ryumon Falls in Aira City, Kagoshima, selected as one of Japan's 100 best waterfalls. We're starting from Aira City Hall. Let's pull up Google Maps, search for Ryumon Falls, and here's our route. Let's go. We're now driving through Aira City in Kagoshima Prefecture. This area is away from the city center, so a rental car or your own vehicle is the best way to get around. If you're coming by train, it's about a 20-minute walk from Kajiki Station on the JR Nippo Main Line, or just 5 minutes by car. From the Kajiki Interchange on the Kyushu Expressway, it's only 2 minutes by car. Incredibly easy access. We're heading to Ryumon Falls, a magnificent waterfall standing 46 meters tall and 43 meters wide, selected as one of Japan's 100 best waterfalls. The name has its origins in China. Long ago, a Chinese visitor praised this waterfall, saying it looked just like the Great Ryumon Falls of China. That's how it got its name. Interestingly, the Japanese word Toryumon, meaning gateway to success, also comes from this Chinese legend. It said that any fish that could climb the rapids of the Ryumon would transform into a dragon. During the Edo period, this was known as the finest waterfall in the Satsuma domain, and it was even featured in poems by the feudal lord Shimazu Tadatsune. You can even catch a glimpse of it while driving on the Kyushu Expressway. One important note, due to heavy rain damage in August 2025, only the observation deck is currently open. The area below the deck, around Ryumon Falls Onsen, and the nearby restrooms are off limits. But don't worry, the view from the observation deck is still absolutely stunning. Free admission, open year-round. Let's head there now and see it together. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Japan Uncovered for more hidden spots across Japan. See you in the next one.